Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Rimac Nevera and this is by Majorette. This is from the semi-premium series, more specifically from the showroom series. So if you guys remember, every semi-premium came with a small tagline here. It said moving parts, but this one, it doesn't say anything. But still they priced it on the 399 range. I don't know why they did that. Honestly, this feels like a cheap shot, to be very honest with you guys. This is supposed to be a main line. If you bought Majorette during 20 till 2025, all Majorettes actually had acrylic headlights, the main lines I'm talking about. So this is how they looked. So let me open this. Okay, I might be wrong. They might have some more detailing to it. Let's see. So the card art looks really nice. Still, I'm missing that older, cards which this cars used to come with. See, the one brand which I thought, doing something good, they're also doing something. Oh my god, they're also doing something like this nowadays, which is not really good, to be honest. Just throw this away. Okay, so here is the casting. Honestly, it feels really light, like paper light. uh, okay, it has acrylic headlights here. The Rimac logo looks really good, and it doesn't have any grill details here. I forgot about the actual car now, whether it actually had a grill here. I remember, I think some of the YouTubers actually driving this car. So, like they're, doing for the first time after the car got launched. I remember that, but I totally forgot whether it had a grill here exactly. Okay. So the wheels looks really nice, unique to this particular car. And you can see taillight detailing here, which is painted, and the Remark font also there, but it is not really good. It feels like a little bit, and the paint is missed out there. It is not painted really well. Okay, Remark is an electric car. It is not a IC engine. So I know that really well, but I bought this because I just wanted to complete the set on the Majorette, so I bought it, and which I don't have. So it has good interior detailing to it. It has rear view mirrors, but honestly, the casting doesn't feel really good. It feels a bit cheap, apart from the wheels here. So you can see the hood details here. Looks really good. And okay, the body is fully metal, including the spoiler here, and the chassis is fully plastic. Let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. It is supposed to sit a bit low because I saw the actual car, people driving that actual car. I mean, over YouTube and in other channels, it is supposed to be low, not this high. This is actually a performance car, so you are not supposed to have this much ground clearance. Okay, 30 grams. See, I told you guys, right? It feels cheap because the weight is not even reaching 35 grams. So some people see. I actually like this actual car because even though it's an EV, it looked really nice, and they did something really well with this particular car. So I watched that, some this lap time, this they it set some record, like, lap time records when this got launched. So I think in Nürburgring, if I'm not wrong. So I like this car at that time, but this casting by Majorette I really don't like. So but my rating is not going to based on whether I like this car or not. Okay, it does roll. That's a good sign, but not really that well. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, as you can see, but at least it does its job. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Again, see, this is a 399 rupees casting, and I'm not sure how many people are going to get it for 379 like I got, but not expecting that from Majorette. So I'm taking one further. It is supposed to have a set of moving parts for that price range. This is a main line. This is not supposed to be a premium, semi-premium. So for that, I'm taking 1 out of 10. And again, this I'm not seriously remembering right now, so I can't able to say anything there. The Remark logo here doesn't even feel really that good, but I'm not sure if it is supposed to look like, like half painted, like it's a style kind of thing. So as of now, I'm giving 9 out of 10, but maybe in future I might change the rating. after looking through the actual car once again in YouTube or somewhere. So let's see. So right now I'm giving a 9 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you don't mind, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.